Hello and welcome to my channel Exam Study. So far we had covered two videos on the state of Uttar Pradesh about its district and divisions and the map of Uttar Pradesh we have discussed. In this video we will discuss about the wildlife sanctuaries that are in the state of Uttar Pradesh. But before having a look on the list of wildlife sanctuaries in Uttar Pradesh, you should know what is a wildlife sanctuary and how it was formed. See, the wildlife sanctuary was formed in accordance with the Wildlife Conservation Act of 1972। अब इसके हिसाब से द नेशनल पार्क सेंचुरीज एंड द बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व वर formed. What were the motive behind the formation of all these three? The motive was only for conservation of wildlife present in our country. But now, wildlife national park and biosphere reserve, how they are different, I'll tell you. A wildlife sanctuary is at the lowest point. If you have a look at the hierarchy, and it is like the lowest point, it is wildlife sanctuary, then a national park, and then a biosphere reserve. So first we will discuss about the wildlife sanctuaries. These wildlife sanctuaries, their bird sanctuaries also are there, and the sanctuaries in which only wild animals are conserved. So in wildlife sanctuary, the first wildlife sanctuary that was formed in the state of Uttar Pradesh was Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary, that is in this district of Chandauli. It was established in 1957. This, remember, Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary is the first wildlife sanctuary that was established in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and it was established in 1957. Why these years are important? Because you can be given the name of wildlife sanctuaries, arrange the following in the ascending order of their formation, year of their formation. So you should know about those. I had mentioned the year of establishment in bracket in each wildlife sanctuary. Next is Kishanpur Wildlife Sanctuary, that is in Lakhimpur Kheri, that is formed in 1972. Second was there. Why Lakhimpur Kheri is so much important? Because Lakhimpur Kheri is the district that is largest in terms of area in the state of Uttar Pradesh. So it was formed in 1972. 77 में रानीपुर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी बांदा और चित्रकूट में, that is in 1977. So these were the three wildlife sanctuaries, 1957, 72, 77. I had tried to put them in the order, but in case any mistake is there, please cooperate. Any mistake means in the order is there. I had given the year of establishment in the brackets. Next is Mahavir Swami Wildlife Sanctuary, that is in Lalitpur. It was established in 1977. Katarni Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary, Bahraich in 1976. National Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary, Agra and Etawah. These are the part in Uttar Pradesh. Morena in Madhya Pradesh. It was established in 1979. Suhega Barwa Sanctuary in 1987. Suhelwa Sanctuary, Balrampur, Gonda and Shravasti, 1988. So question can be asked in the form, which are the following districts are covered by the Suhelwa Sanctuary? Balrampur, Gonda, Lucknow and Shravasti. So Lucknow is the option, it is not covered. Balrampur, Gonda and Shravasti are covered by the Suhelwa Sanctuary. It was established in 1988. So Mahavir Swami Wildlife Sanctuary, Lalitpur district, 1977. Katarni Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary in 1976 in Bahraich. National Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary, Agra and Etawah, 1979. Sohagi Barwa, Maharajganj, 1987. And Suhelwa Sanctuary, Balrampur, Gonda and Shravasti, 1988. One question that can be asked: which of the following sanctuary is spread in more than one district? So you can easily figure out the sanctuaries that are spread in more than one district. Maharajganj is in one district, Bahraich Katarni Ghat is in one district. Kishanpur Wildlife Sanctuary is in only Lakhimpur Kheri. Chandraprabha is in Chandauli. These are the wildlife sanctuaries that are in one district only. After this, we will discuss about the bird sanctuaries. Bird sanctuaries for the conservation of birds. The Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary in Unnao 1984, Samaspur Bird Sanctuary that in Raebareli 1987, Lag Bahosi Bird Sanctuary Kannauj 1988, Bakhira Sanctuary Sant Kabir Nagar 89, Okhla Sanctuary Ghaziabad and Gautam Budh Nagar 1990, Parvati Arga Bird Sanctuary in Gonda 1990, Patna Bird Sanctuary in Eta 1990, Sandi Bird Sanctuary Hardoi 1990, Saman Sanctuary in Mainpuri, it was established in 1990, Vijay Sagar in Mahoba in 1990, Sarovar Sanctuary is in Agra 1991. This is also known as Keetam Tal because it is located near Keetam Lake. Surhat Al Sanctuary in Balia 1991. So most of the bird sanctuaries are spread only in one district. Bhimrao Ambedkar Bird Sanctuary is in Pratapgarh. It was established in 2003. So, except Okhla Bird Sanctuary, all the bird sanctuaries spread only in one district. So, these were the list of sanctuaries and the wildlife and the bird sanctuaries in the state of Uttar Pradesh. As far as the national park is concerned, there is one national park in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Dudhwa National Park and the Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. These are the Dudhwa National Park in Lakhimpur Kheri as a national park in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.